Okay, this is our Unit 2 test on motion. Show your work on any speed or average speed calculations. You may use a calculator to check your work. Place a star by your name at the top of the page. For the multiple choice, identify the choice that best completes the statement or answers the question. Number 1, speed equals distance divided by A, time, B, velocity, C, size, D, motion. Number 2, when you know both the speed and direction of an object's motion, you know the A, average speed of the object, B, instantaneous speed of the object, C, distance the object has traveled, or D, the velocity of the object. Number 3, on a graph showing distance versus time, a horizontal line represents an object that is A, moving at a constant speed, B, increasing its speed, C, decreasing its speed, D, not moving at all. Number 4, if you know a car traveled 300 kilometers in 3 hours, you can find its A, acceleration, B, direction, C, speed, D, velocity. Number 5, when an object's position relative to another object is changing, A, it is in motion, B, it is speeding, C, it has a high velocity, D, it is accelerating. Number 6, the basic SI unit for length is the A, meter, B, foot, C, inch, D, mile. Number 7, a place or object used for comparison to determine if something is in motion is called A, a position, B, a reference point, C, a constant, D, velocity. Okay, going over to page 2. Number 8. Average speed is A, equivalent to velocity, B, the rate at which an object is moving at a given instant, C, the rate at which an object's slope changes, D, the total distance traveled divided by the total time. Number 9. If a bicyclist travels 30 kilometers in 2 hours, her average speed is A, 30 kilometers per hour, B, 60 kilometers per hour, C, 15 kilometers per hour, D, 2 kilometers per hour. Number 10. Which of the following graph best represents a car moving at a constant speed of 2 meters per second? Number 11. A student is looking out his bedroom window and sees a caterpillar crawling. He decides to time the movement of the caterpillar. The caterpillar crawls from point A to point B in 5 seconds. What is the caterpillar's speed? Number 12. A truck travels along a highway for a period of 80 minutes. The graph to the right shows the distance traveled by the truck. According to the graph, during what segment was the truck going at the fastest speed? A, line F, B, line G, C, line H, or D, line I. Okay, going on to page 3. We'll be using the motion of two joggers graph to answer these questions. Number 13. How far did Kathy jog in the first 4 minutes? Number 14. If Kathy jogged 300 meters in 2 minutes and 150 meters in 1 minute, what is Kathy's average speed? Show your work. Number 15. How long after Kathy started jogging did Rachel begin jogging? Number 16. Describe Rachel's motion at 9 minutes. Number 17. Rachel jogged 210 meters in 4 minutes. What was her speed? Show your calculations. And number 18. Explain how to find the average speed of a car that travels 300 kilometers in 6 hours. Then find the average speed. Okay, make sure you check over your test before you turn it in. You have all your units labeled. You did all the parts of the questions. You can use calculators, so check your work with a calculator. And when you're finished, turn the test in to me with your name on it.